Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a documents using your iPhone or iPad so that you can create, edit, and make your documents for word processing and also save it to your phone. So let's get started. So first thing, in order to do that, you actually have to download an app that's made from Apple themselves, but it doesn't come with your iPhone or iPad. So what you'll need to do is go to App Store and you need to search up this app called Pages. So you'll see here there's a bunch of options. You'll click on the search option and then you'll search up here for Pages. So if you search up Pages, it will get you to this icon with this Pages app. So you want to go ahead and install that. Now this Pages is actually developed by Apple and it's something they created, but for some reason they don't ship it out with your iPhone or even iPad. So you'll need to go ahead and download Pages. So once you download Pages, right, you'll get it on your phone or your iPad and you'll get it just like that. And all you do is simply open it up. And once you open up, you have similar layout like the Files app itself. But what you can do is now create your own personal documents like you would do in any word processing application. This is completely free to do. So all you have to do is click on that plus icon, and then what you can do is choose from template, or you can start writing, which will create from a blank template. So I'll click on choose a template, right? So you have the blank one, like we mentioned, basic one, and then you can have multiple other options as well. There's pre-templates made for you that you can use those to edit as well. So if you want something, maybe you're working on a research paper, you can start from there. You can see portrait, landscape, letters, resumes. If you want to do resumes here, flyer, poster, all of these nice templates already ready for you on your phone, and you can start editing. Let's say I want to do a research paper. All I do is click on it and then I can start writing from here. As you can see, they started writing, so I can maybe modify my thing here, right? You can start writing it just the way you want it, right? Exactly like this. You can now even edit it. So if you want editing like bold, italics, all of that can be done simply just by clicking on that, and you can pretty much do even things like centering. So if you need to center some things or you need to adjust the alignment, you can do that. And then if you need to bullet point things, you can click on the different bullet points, similar to any word processing that you have. The options here again are really simple to use. You're not going to get as extensive, but you have things like paintbrush and such. And after you're done, you click on done here and just go back and automatically saves it for you. And if you press and hold on the document here, what you can do is actually go ahead and rename it. So anything you like, and hit that, and it's saved just for you. And the thing about this is if you're backing up to iCloud, you can use it on your other Apple devices. And that's how simple it is to make a document on your iPhone or iPad. Again, really simple. Download the Pages app that is developed by Apple from the App Store, and you can start writing and creating your own documents on your iPhone or iPad. Hopefully this helps. And if you want to go further into it, you can also go ahead and share your documents. Like you mentioned, if you click on press and hold, you can go ahead and share it, send it to email like when you do normally would, like with any other documents, right? You can collaborate as well with others as well. Much easier. Similarly, it helps really to do this. Again, hopefully this video is helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.